how to install a portastep onto your RV steps. First, you'll take the insert and you will install it in this bar until it goes all the way down. Tighten the wing bolts, typically tightening till snug, quarter turn more. Then laying the step down, foot on this step, and stretching it all the way out. Then you can take the step and turn it over, lift it up, and slide it onto your top step. Then you're taking the handrails, putting in the bottom first, and tightening the wing bolts. Typically snug, quarter turn more. And then you will either have a hand post, or if you ordered an extra rail, it would go on this side. A hand post typically goes to the bottom and tightens.